Musa Mseleku and his wife on season 8 were planning to build a new house. Macele was already by a land and she was showing her husband the new land. Musa Mseleku was not content with that land. He gives some of the reason why he doesn't want Macele to build a house in that land. And he told Macele to sell the land because he wants to buy a house for her. That's why he told Macele to sell the land. And Macele tolerate Musa Mseleku. You know that why Macele always tolerate Musa Mseleku? She knows that Musa Mseleku have got good choices when it comes to choose good things. So Musa Mseleku buy a house for Macele. Look at Macele where she is staying. Those areas are new suburbs, are not old suburbs. Makumalo is staying at old suburbs because Makumalo buy that house was old house for someone. Makumalo was not in competition with anyone because she was desperate. She is too busy in Durban. So Makumalo buy that house. She does not know that Musa Mseleku is going to, when she heard Musa Mseleku is going to buy other houses for other wives. It's like maybe they are in competition. Musa Mseleku want to buy a house for Macele, a beautiful house than Makumalo. Because if you look at Makumalo's where she is staying, those areas, yes, are suburbs, but are old suburbs in Durban. Macele is staying in new suburbs. Look at Macele's house, guys. Even you look at that picture I saw in next door, those houses, you can saw it's new suburbs. That's why Musa Mseleku told Macele to sell that land because he was not content. He knows that this place is not beautiful than Makumalo's place. Maybe Musa Mseleku was already saw Makumalo where she is going to stay in Durban because Makumalo shows Musa Mseleku a stand, but we didn't saw it on season 8. We saw it on Utando Nestembo and Kat. So Musa Mseleku have a choice because maybe he told Macele that I want to buy a house. That's why you saw their houses. Even Mangwabe, Mayeni, they didn't even fix anything or what. They came and stay because their houses are already being fixed, everything. They're like maybe they are being surprised. So guys, the Makumalo was the one who is fixing her own house. Other wives, they don't fix anything. Even Macele, she came and maybe Musa Mseleku surprised Macele with the property. Maybe that house was fully proper. We have got their properties. You understand it? So the person who was busy with cement, what fixing the walls, even the roof. Even you look at Makumalo's roof, Makumalo guys fix that roof again. She start again. So guys, I thought it's better to buy a new house than to buy a old house because the old house we have got a lot of work when you can want to fix what. When you look the money you buy a new house and the money you can buy the old house, that all the money your expenses you use to fix the walls what is not, maybe you've got a distance with the new house. It's better to buy the new house. Even Makumalo learned a lesson that next time when she wants a house, you have to buy a new house or a new stand or a ground. It's better to buy a ground than to buy an old house because some of the old houses you can use your money again. You fix the walls, you fix the roof, because that house maybe Makumalo's house, that person who decide to sell the house, maybe you've got 20 years, 30 years, 10 years, who knows? You understand? That's why we saw Makumalo's house is like was not beautiful than other houses because Mayeni, Mangwabe, Macele's houses are new. It's not, there is no one who was staying at those houses. There is no one. So Makumalo was not in competition with anyone, but it looks like maybe there is competition because Msamseleku heard that Makumalo buy a house and he have got that and go to took a loan for his wives to have got houses. Like he want to show Makumalo that I can do the same thing to other wives.